Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. For this episode I'm going to show you something really simple. I'm going to show you on that area on my RAV4 there is a hose that goes to the windshield washer fluid. So on that hose is rubbing against the metal, and when I used to work at the dealership I saw few they have that hose damage on that area. I saw few RAV4s, I saw a Highlander, and I saw a Forerunner damage on that area on the hose. The goes it just throw fluid to the windshield. So I'm gonna show you how to prevent that hose from get damaged. This is a 2021 Toyota RAV4, and right here, if you open the hood, you're gonna see that hose right there. If you can see that hose right there is just against the frame, and like I said, I saw a few at the dealership that they were damaged. I don't know if it's because of that, but this is just gonna be a preventive maintenance that we're gonna do on this RAV4. So let me show you how to prevent that hose for getting damage on that area. You can do this different ways. You can put tape, electrical tape around the hose. You can put a piece of tube around the hose of the frame. You can do it multiple ways. My way is just gonna be this fuel hose. I already cut it, so just with one cut on one side to open it up, I'm gonna put it on the frame to prevent the hose from getting damaged later on. I'm not gonna say that it's gonna get damaged, probably not, probably it does gonna get damaged with vibration, just the hose touching the frame right there. So we just need to cut a piece of hose, put it against the frame, hopefully stays in place, and that's gonna prevent that hose from getting damaged. You can see right here we have the hose. Probably I'm not gonna be able to record with my hand in there. Space is really tight. I'm just gonna put that hose in there. That edge of the frame is really sharp. I don't see any marks on the hose from rubbing, but we have the piece of hose in it. So now the windshield washer fluid hose is resting on the rubber. So I think that's gonna prevent a damage to the hose later on. Something really easy for your RAV4. Check on your Forerunner. I think I saw a FJ as well at the dealership with the hose damage too. I don't know if it's for something like that, but on your RAV4, check right here on the hood. Probably you have the same thing. You can put a piece of hose, electrical tape, or whatever you want to put in there, but that's gonna prevent the hose from damage later on. Okay guys, so I'll leave you with that. I hope you like this episode, and I see you on the next one.